Artificial intelligence is becoming an important part of our everyday lives. From the apps we use to the tools we work with, AI is helping people perform tasks more efficiently and solve problems faster. But AI is not designed to replace humans. Instead, it is built to support and enhance human abilities. In simple terms, AI enhances humans by helping us work faster, think smarter, and make better decisions. By analyzing data, automating routine tasks, and providing useful insights, AI allows people to focus on creativity, learning, and complex problem solving. This collaboration between humans and AI is shaping the future of how we live and work. Artificial intelligence can make our daily home tasks easier and more efficient. It can help with cooking by suggesting recipes based on the ingredients we already have. AI can also control smart home devices like lights, temperature, and appliances, making our homes more comfortable and energy efficient. Cleaning becomes easier with robotic vacuum cleaners that can automatically clean floors and avoid obstacles. AI can also assist with grocery planning by creating shopping lists and recommending products based on our needs. In addition, AI helps manage our daily routines by setting reminders for tasks, events, and schedules, helping us stay organized and productive. Let's learn more about each in next parts we are about to explore. Cooking is one of the most practical ways AI can enhance our daily life. Today, AI can suggest recipes based on the ingredients we already have at home. Instead of searching manually, we can simply enter the ingredients and instantly get meal ideas. AI can also guide us with step-by-step cooking instructions. This is especially useful for beginners who are learning how to cook. The instructions can include preparation steps, cooking time, and measurements. Another helpful feature is cooking timers and reminders. AI can track cooking time and alert us when it is time to stir, flip, or remove food from the stove. AI can also suggest healthier options by showing nutrition information, such as calories, protein, and other nutrients. By combining all these features, AI makes cooking easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. AI also enhances our homes by making them smarter and more efficient. Smart home systems use AI to automatically control devices like lights, temperature, and appliances. For example, lights can turn on automatically when someone enters a room and turn off when the room is empty. This improves convenience and also saves electricity. AI can also manage room temperature using smart thermostats. It can learn our preferences and adjust heating or cooling automatically based on weather conditions and time of day. Another powerful feature is voice control. With simple voice commands, we can control appliances such as lights, fans, televisions, or speakers. AI can also analyze energy usage and optimize power consumption, helping households reduce electricity costs. Overall, AI helps create a more comfortable, efficient, and intelligent home environment. Cleaning is another area where AI significantly improves daily life. Robotic vacuum cleaners are a good example of how AI can automate household tasks. These devices can automatically clean floors without requiring constant supervision. Once started, they move around the house and collect dust and debris. AI also helps these devices create a map of the home layout. With floor mapping technology, the robot understands where furniture and walls are located, allowing it to clean efficiently. Users can also schedule cleaning tasks. For example, the robot can be programmed to clean the house every morning or every evening, automatically. Another important feature is obstacle detection. AI allows the robot to detect furniture, objects, or stairs and avoid collisions or accidents. Because of these capabilities, AI helps reduce manual effort and keeps homes cleaner with minimal human involvement. AI also helps simplify grocery planning and shopping. Instead of manually remembering what to buy, AI systems can automatically generate grocery lists. For example, when ingredients in the kitchen start running low, AI can detect this and add those items to a shopping list. This helps avoid forgetting important items. AI can also track ingredients already available at home. By knowing what is in the kitchen, it can suggest meals that use those ingredients effectively. Another useful feature is shopping recommendations. AI can suggest products based on previous purchases, preferences, or dietary needs. In addition, AI can help find budget-friendly options by comparing prices and suggesting cheaper alternatives. With these capabilities, AI makes grocery planning more organized, efficient, and cost-effective. AI also enhances productivity by helping us manage daily tasks and schedules. Smart reminder systems ensure that important tasks are not forgotten. AI can send reminders for daily activities such as completing tasks, attending meetings, or finishing assignments. This helps people stay organized and productive. It can also manage schedules by organizing appointments and setting alerts before events begin. This is especially useful for busy professionals or students. Another important use case is medication reminders. AI can notify users when it is time to take medicine, which is very helpful for maintaining health routines. AI also provides reminders for events, meetings, or deadlines, ensuring better time management. By handling these reminders automatically, AI reduces mental workload and helps people focus on more important activities. Artificial intelligence can significantly improve productivity in office environments. It automates repetitive administrative tasks such as data entry and routine processing, allowing employees to focus on more important work. AI can organize emails and documents by sorting, filtering, and categorizing information efficiently. It also helps schedule meetings and manage calendars by finding available time slots and sending reminders. In addition, AI can generate reports and summarize large amounts of data quickly. It can also assist with writing emails, preparing documents, and creating presentations, making office work faster and more efficient. Let's learn more about each of these points in the next part in simple terms. Artificial intelligence can significantly improve productivity in office environments. It automates repetitive administrative tasks such as data entry and routine processing, allowing employees to focus on more important work. AI can organize emails and documents by sorting, filtering, and categorizing information efficiently. It also helps schedule meetings and manage calendars by finding available time slots and sending reminders. In addition, AI can generate reports and summarize large amounts of data quickly. It can also assist with writing emails, preparing documents, and creating presentations, making office work faster and more efficient. Let's learn more about each of these points in the next part in simple terms. One of the biggest ways AI enhances office work is by automating repetitive tasks. Many administrative activities, such as data entry, form processing, and file management, can take a lot of time when done manually. AI can automatically enter data into systems, reducing human effort and minimizing errors. AI can also sort and organize files based on categories, dates, or keywords, making it easier to find important documents quickly. Another useful feature is automatic form filling, where AI can populate forms using existing data instead of requiring manual typing. In addition, AI can automate entire workflows by connecting different systems and completing routine steps automatically. This allows employees to focus on higher value tasks such as analysis, strategy, and decision making instead of repetitive work. AI can also simplify meeting scheduling and calendar management. In many organizations, finding a suitable time for meetings can be difficult because everyone has different schedules. AI can automatically analyze calendars and identify available time slots for all participants. This allows meetings to be scheduled quickly without long email discussions. AI can also detect calendar conflicts and suggest alternative times if two meetings overlap. Another helpful feature is automated meeting reminders. AI sends notifications before meetings begin, ensuring participants are prepared and on time. AI can also help with smart time planning by recommending the best times for focused work, meetings, or breaks. This helps employees manage their time more effectively. AI is also very useful for analyzing information and generating reports. In many offices, employees need to review large amounts of data before creating reports. This process can be time-consuming when done manually. AI can quickly analyze large datasets and identify patterns, trends, and important insights. It can also automatically generate reports based on the analyzed data, saving significant time. Another powerful capability is document summarization. AI can read long documents and produce short summaries that highlight the most important points. This helps employees understand key information faster without reading entire reports. By providing quick insights from large amounts of data, AI supports faster and better decision-making. AI also assists with writing and creating presentations. Many professionals spend time writing emails, reports, proposals, or presentations, and AI can make this process faster and easier. AI tools can check grammar and spelling, ensuring the text is clear and professional. They can also suggest better wording or improved sentence structure. Another helpful feature is content suggestions. AI can recommend ideas, headings, or supporting points while writing documents. AI can also help generate presentation slides by organizing information into structured formats. It can suggest slide titles, bullet points, and outlines. By supporting writing and presentation tasks, AI helps professionals communicate their ideas more clearly and efficiently. In this video, we explored how AI can enhance our daily life and office tasks by making work easier, faster, and more efficient. Next, we will see how AI can enhance us in studies and help students learn smarter and improve their learning experience. Discover the potential of AI in our lives in the next video. Thank you for watching. If this explanation made artificial intelligence easier to understand, subscribe for more videos where complex topics are broken down into simple terms. If there is any topic you would like explained clearly and practically, share it in the comments. And if this helped you understand the concept easily, please like the video. See you in the next one.